All of the analyzed concepts, religion, anger, and agency, represent feminist values and feminist message that engage a wide array of viewers through an approachable form that does not encroach on the viewers in an extreme way and allow for the internalization and interpretation for viewers to associate with the artist's message in their own individual style. Compared to traditional forms of protest like the Me Too movement, the actions of the movement tend to surpass a boundary of the public that cause viewers to associate the movement with undesirable or offensive behavior. On the other hand, urban art like tagging and muralism create an approachable atmosphere for viewers to engage and inspire individuals and affiliate themselves with the art individually while still being within their comfort zone. By allowing society to participate from the safety of their comfort zone, urban art opens up participation to a broader community through an approachable atmosphere and has the benefit of being abstract enough for viewers to internalize and associate individual interpretations with the art and the artist's message. Thank you, and here are my works cited.